What is 38 times 7? Answer, 266. 2 times 1/5 equals? Answer, 2/5. What is 19 times 10? Answer, 190. What is 46 times 9? Answer, 414. A number line starts at 50,000 and ends at 100,000. What number is missing? Answer, 60,000. What is 26 times 9? Answer, 234. What is 35 times 8? Answer, 280. What is 40 times 7? Answer, 280. What is 18 times 8? Answer, 144. Which is equivalent to 4 apples per 2 people? Answer, 2 apples per person. A number line starts at 0 and ends at 50,000. What number is missing? Answer, 10,000. A number line starts at 10,000 and ends at 60,000. What number is missing? Answer, 20,000. What is 38 times 7? Answer, 266. 5 times 1/4 equals? Answer, 5/4. Which is equivalent to 4 apples per 2 people? Answer, 2 apples per person. What is 22 times 4? Answer, 88. What is 34 times 9? Answer, 306. What is 42 times 4? Answer, 168. What is 30 times 3? Answer, 90. Which is equivalent to 4 apples per 2 people? Answer, 2 apples per person.